What's going on? We're back with another full day eating video. Today is a little bit different than the traditional breakfast because it is weekend. So we get to enjoy that luxury. We don't have to have something we just gotta grab and go. We always do potatoes, it seems, but this time we're doing Asian potatoes with the chickpeas like normal, which the sauce on there is soy sauce, maple syrup, sriracha, garlic, and sesame oil.
Yep.
Boom. And see that little scrambled egg thing right there? That ain't no just eggs. We don't do processed foods. We don't do fake meats. We don't do tofus. Only occasionally, if we go out to eat, do we do those things. And a lot of people say, why are you so against it? It's not just that I'm against it. It's that there's a better way. So these are mung beans with almond milk, nutritional yeast, spices, and look at that consistency. It looks like a damn, look at that, beautiful. It looks like a scrambled egg. So this is that high protein, delicious, nutritious breakfast for you. High carbs, good fat, good protein. Woo! Keeping you lean and mean. So whether you want to lose weight or put on muscle, it is one and the same, especially here over on this channel because we're not giving you no fad diets, none of that BS. Live and direct, showing you every single day the cleanest way to eat on this vegan or plant-based lifestyle. A lot of people like to rely on protein supplements or, oh, this is high protein, just put protein powder. It's like, that ain't high protein, motherfucker, that's poison. High protein is actual whole foods that contain high protein. Oh, well, that's not a complete protein because it's plant-based. Bitch, shut the fuck up. You don't know what you're talking about. It is a complete protein, especially when you have such a diverse diet. It becomes complete throughout the day, and there's plenty of plant-based ways to get complete proteins, like hemp seeds and quinoa. Google it, motherfucker. You don't know what you're talking about. Fortunately for you, I do. That's why you are watching the video and I am not watching you. If you have a better idea on how to eat healthy, why don't you make videos, give back to the people? Don't take away on every single scenario that you're in. I've been vegan for 9 years, been fit for 13 straight, all right? Go to my Instagram, EWOJZ. You can see the high-performing shit that I do. I'm in the weight room 6 times a week. Hitting the gym 6 times a week, I should say. 2 of those days being 2-a-days. So 8 training sessions a week. That's like more than half you motherfuckers did last year. So I don't want to hear it. Showing you as a high protein athlete how to get it done without the meat, without the tofu, without the fake meat. Yeah. So we will see you for meal number 2 because it is 4 p.m., which means, yes, I do intermittent fast. I don't think that it's the only way. I think the most important thing is what you eat, not when you eat. That's just how life goes for us sometimes, though. I usually eat between 12 and 4, depending how busy I am or how hungry I am. And right now, I am absolutely starving, so I can't keep yapping my head off to you guys. I'm going to go eat this. We will see you for meal number 2 in a minute. Alrighty, we are back post-gym. Hit chest and motherfucking triceps, but you know I always like to flex that. Look at that. Yeah. Lean and mean, baby. That's how you do it when you eat healthy. Can you go ahead and turn that light on for us? Woo! Let there be light! Okay, we are having a Mediterranean cauliflower chickpea type bowl, Chrissy has told us. Woo! Look at that beauty. So what's all in here,
Yeah,
Miss
so
Chrissy?
we have roasted cauliflower and chickpeas. This is a low waste bowl, so there's a slaw made with red onions and the cauliflower leaves.
Okay.
And a tahini sauce, as well as a green herb sauce.
Over top rice?
Over top of rice, of course.
So, once again, I always like to mention, no matter what your goal is, losing weight, putting on muscle, they're all in the same. This bowl here is going to be what you would consider low calories, high protein, which equates to weight loss and fat loss. But I'm going to eat about 20 bowls because I'm trying to put on weight. Yeah. Yup. Trying to get lean and mean year round. 3,000 to 5,000 calories a day for me. You can scale it back. 2,000 calories a day. You're going to be lean and mean in your own right. Now, I'm going to show you the supplements I take. I do not take bodybuilding supplements. I take health supplements to optimize. No, it's not a vegan exclusive thing. No, I don't need to get it. I get all my vitamins and nutrients from the vegan diet. Whether or not you believe me, I could care less. Blood work says otherwise, baby. You know what happened? Last time I got blood work, doctor came in and said, "You are the healthiest man on earth. How do you do it? Holy hell, please tell me. I know I'm the doctor, but I don't understand how you are the healthiest man on earth, and we just discovered this right now. Can you please make YouTube videos and inform the people? Because on God's green earth, we need to be blessed." So that's what I'm doing. Let me show you guys how I optimize as a high-protein, high-functioning athlete who works out 8 motherfucking times a week, going crazy on them. Show you how I like to replenish my body. So I forgot to show them earlier, no biggie. Just imagine that instead of PM, these are the AM Thorn multivitamins. I do an AM and a PM. Big deal, baby. Multivitamin. Oh my God, you don't get your nutrients. That ain't for vegan athletes. That is for athletes. Irish sea moss contains 90% of the minerals our body requires. That is clearly a benefit to everybody on God's green earth. Organics Nature and Thorn are 2 companies I highly suggest. It's worth paying the extra couple dollars. Third-party tested, real supplements. A lot of supplements on the market are garbage, fake, not what they claim to be. Especially sea moss, a lot of it is farmed or just straight up fake. You know what you're getting from here from the sea. Alpha Brain, that's what gets me so crazy. Hyphy, you know what I'm saying? Just kidding. I don't know if it does that much for you. I eat so clean that when I add something, I feel like I can tell the difference, but once again, that could be up to placebo, so let's not get it twisted, not get a cap, just telling you what I do. Lastly, something new I've been doing is black seed oil, anti-inflammatory, all types of stuff, good for your hair, skin, all that kind of stuff. So yes, I have added this in the past month. Once again, can't tell you any crazy breakthroughs that I've had with it, but worth a shot. You can look it up, decide for yourself if you want to give it a try. That is all. I'm gonna devour this food. I'm starving. I hit that motherfucking gym, so that means I need to be replenished immediately. So we will see you tomorrow for another full day eating. Thank you for watching. If you've seen the video to this point, you are a real one. Go ahead and comment. Seen it. We'll see you tomorrow.